Hello people, welcome to Excelsior Studio. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe, and to get our notification, click on the bell icon.
Hello YouTubers, welcome to Excelsior Studio. Be creative, be yourself. I'm your host Suraj. In today's video, I'm going to unbox an LED strip which is of RGB. It's for the cabinet which I have. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and please give a thumbs up. Let's aim for 50 likes on this video, guys. So if you want to buy an LED strip, so the link will be given in the description below. Please go ahead and buy it from there. So the video is coming up. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, guys. It's an RGB LED strip which is for cabinet. So let's go and see. Yeah, and here is the product, guys. As you can see, it's a bill. I have got this product for like 699 rupees, as you can see over here. So let's go and see this product. It's of MSI Phanteks RGB LED strip 400 mm. So it's of 400 mm, guys. See, RGB mystic light synchronization, which will be given in the link, the software for this LED strip. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what's inside. So what we get over here is the 12 input cord for 4 header. By the way, I have an RGB header to my motherboard, so no need to take that. And then we get this motherboard RGB adapter instruction manual. Here is the instruction manual, guys, as you can see. So let's keep this aside, and we have got this, yeah, the tape which we have to apply on this LED strip, and we have to put it to the cabinet. So let's go ahead and see the LED strip itself. As you can see, it's 400 mm, guys. So it's pretty nice RGB strip which is provided to us. So this was the unboxing of MSI Phanteks RGB strip. So here is the RGB light which I have put on my PC cabinet, as you can see over there in the corner. So from long it looks like this, from long away. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please do like this video and please do share this to your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.